Today's Thursday, September 19th. This is the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado Quadrajet carburetor. This is the original vintage, fully restored 704 5193, as designated back here. 704 5193. This is the period correct carburetor that was sent in by my friend Edward in Alabama. This is the second carburetor that I've done for him after having restored his 1966 Carter carburetor. So the unit has been completely disassembled, all the seals changed, fully reassembled and performance tuned. Absolutely beautiful show quality restoration, including the cadmium dichromate body and the contrasting linkage. Period correct for the 1975 Eldorado and performance tuned for the 500 cubic inch 1975 8.2 liter engine for the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado. So today is Thursday, September 19th. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 through 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items, such as the fully restored, performance-tuned Rochester Quadrajet carburetors. Today is Thursday, September 19th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.